So here's a very simple way to clean up your 3D rendering images when merging your 3600 scans with your CBCT. This is actually off of the 9300 machine, and you can see here we've got a very heavily restored patient. Actually, as an aside, the auto merge of the 3600 scan did a really great job. If anybody's very familiar with merging data sets with heavily restored patients, you'll actually realize just how well this did with such high scatter using the PDIP module. Anyway, so we can see here all the scatter off of that CBCT, and if I toggle the 3600 on and off, you can really barely see it. And if you're trying to create images for patient presentations or for putting into a PowerPoint for lectures, study clubs, sending to referring doctors, it's not a great image. So what do? So go ahead into your 3D region of interest tool, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut out all of that CBCT scatter data. On the left hand side you can see draw shape to preserve the inside or draw shape to remove the inside. And what you're doing is, if I say let's remove the inside, what you're doing is really just kind of cutting through the image, but you have to be careful on where you actually cut it because it does act like a laser beam and it'll shoot through the entire image. So if I angle it like so and select this option, I can now come in and I'm just going to cut along the line of where my 3600 ends, and then come around like this, and you can see it gets rid of all of that CBCT scatter but keeps my 3600 image. And I can do the same thing patient's other side. Okay, and I can even actually get rid of the rest of this image for, again, better presentation to the patient. Select OK. So now I've got this image that looks quite a bit better than this image to be able to present. Pretty easy to do, very fast. Hope this helps.